Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple guide on how to download and install the latest version of Android Studio straight to your Windows 10 PC or laptop. But before we get started, please throw me a like or subscription. It really helps out the channel. So whether you're a programmer or enthusiast, this guide is going to help you out. You want to go ahead and search up Android Studio and apps on Google, and you're going to see this website pop up. Next, what you want to go ahead and do is just go out to their website. You don't have to log in, nor do you have to click anything else. You're going to see a download Android Studio button right on the front page. You're going to go ahead and click I've agreed, download the patch, and go ahead and download the file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a couple minutes before it's fully downloaded. Great. Once you've downloaded the exe, what you want to do is go ahead and right-click it and run it as administrator. The reason why we run it as administrator is because we don't want any issues with the files install on your system's privileges. So make sure you go ahead and right-click and run as admin. Next, you're going to click next. You can choose to install Android virtual device, which allows you to essentially have an emulator. This is recommended to keep on. Go ahead and click next. Make sure your file is installed where you want it to be, and then give it a couple seconds for it to fully install. Alright, once it's fully completed, you can go ahead and click finish and start up Android Studio. You can go ahead and send or not send any privacy data. Alright, now you're going to set up Android Studio. Go ahead and click next. You want to make sure that you just stay on standard. It's going to turn on the most common settings for you. You can review your current settings and click next. Then you're going to accept their terms of service and click finish. It's going to take a couple seconds or minutes depending on your computer to finish downloading all the components and installing Android Studio fully. Alright, once it's done downloading all the components, you're going to go ahead and click finish. Once in here, what you want to do is go ahead and just click new project. And then you're going to go ahead and try out some of these. For this, I'm going to go ahead and click on empty activity. After that, you're going to click next. Change your name to whatever you want. Let's just put test. And then click finish. After it fully loads up, you have created and fully tested your new environment for Android Studio. Now you can go ahead and build your $1 million app ideas. If this video helped you out, please throw me a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions about how to download and install Android Studio, please leave it in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.